If you were watching this video, then you have just purchased your eLoop sports frame along with the eLight. The eLight box will contain the wired light along with the battery pack and a charging cord. First, you want to take the light and unravel the wire. And then you're going to want to take the end with the light on it and adjust the different hex screws on it. The hex screws are used for different things. The one on top is used to adjust the side-to-side movement. The one on the side over here is used to adjust the up and down movement, while the one down here adjusts the tightness on the loops. So what you're going to want to do is take the hex tool that's provided and untighten all the screws first, not completely though. And once they're untightened, it can move freely. And then you're just going to want to sit it on top of the bridge of the loops. And once it's resting in a good position, you're going to want to tighten the one down here again. You're going to twist it clockwise, but you don't want to tie it too tight or else it will slip off the top. Alright, that looks good. And then once that's done, you're also going to want to tighten the one on the side and the one on top. Let's do the one on top first. And then the one on the side. Alright, and when that's done, there are 3 elastic bands on the cord that you will use to put on the side of the loops so that the wire does not get in the way of your face. So once you just want to slide it over the end like that and then position them evenly. Once it's like that, it should be good. And then you're going to take the other end of the cord and then plug it into the battery of the light. You're going to flip the switch on the side and then you can control the brightness with the button right here. If you have any other questions, please let us know.